Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel, Coffee Tea Paper. My name's Louise and today I am doing a couple of unboxings. I have had these sitting on and around my desk for, I'm going to say a week now. But with everything going on with our kitchen renovation and so forth, I just haven't had the time to sit down and enjoy my opening of my purchases. When you take the time and you make the decision to purchase something special, you really want to sit down and enjoy it. You don't want to just rip into it. So I have two packages today. The first one is from Black Milk Project, and they produce these mystery boxes or these limited edition boxes every once in a while. I want to say once a year, maybe twice a year. I really like their stamps. I like their little bespoke boxes. You can see here they've put my name on this one. The theme for this one I think is dream or dreams. Last one I had was flower doodles, and I've got an unboxing of that on my video as well, but it had little personalized labels and some flower doodle stamps and stickers and things, and I really enjoyed I've been really enjoying sharing those with some pen pals, but also using them in my own journals. The other box I have, which is missing its signature sticker, is from Bookbinders Design Australia. They're actually closing their physical storefront for a while, not permanently, but to undergo a major renovation in their store. Renovation seems to be the flavour of the month, but their online store will still be open, and yeah, they'll continue to bring us all the latest interesting stationery from Japan and beyond. So I'm going to open up the Black Milk Project one first, and then we'll get to the Bookbinders. First thing I'm going to do is cut this twine. You can see they often decorate the outside of the box, which is lovely. They've got a girl in her pajamas hugging a cloud and a starry night sky with some birds and my name. Let's try not to set it on fire. So in order to do that, we might take it out. So everything's wrapped up in some black tissue paper. There's a little sort of Polaroid sticker here on the front with dream, and this girl tucked up in her bed of clouds amongst the starry night sky. So of course I'm going to save that for my journal when I can get to it. I think I'm still behind. I think I still need to do March. Okay, let's just pull things out one by one. See how we go. Okay, we've got a little sample roll of some washi dot stickers here. I love washi dots, so that never goes astray. I don't think this is anything particularly unique to Black Milk Project, but it's a nice inclusion that probably goes along with the color palette. Now, this is looking a bit more interesting. A little bundle. It looks like a Christmas pudding, doesn't it? Tied up with some ribbon. And the paper it's wrapped in is more of this dream theme of the birds and the sky. I love these splatters. And the little stamp, it's a little clay stamp with a little sleeping teddy bear face. It's very cute. I love how rustic this is, and it's obviously handmade, and I think that's really lovely. I might put that, hopefully that's still in frame. What do we have here? Oh, I think it's a little journal clip. Well, that's something a little different from them. with a sleeping bear. I think it's a bear with a girl curled up, all cozy. It's quite a nice, sturdy journal clip. Another, what appears to be stamp. Whoever ties the knots on these are very, they do a very tight knot. And I don't like wasting ribbon, but I just can't get these knots undone. Oh, and it's the girl from the front of the box hugging her cloud in her pajamas with her teddy slippers. And she's got the night sky in her hair. And the Black Milk Project logo on the side. That's very, very sweet. Oh, this looks like it might be a washi tape. I do like washi tapes. I really like the colour palette that they've been using, so I have high hopes. Oh, hang on. It's not a washi tape. It's a cunningly disguised stamp. Ah, look at this on this natural wood. I wonder if this is why my parcel was sort of held up at customs a bit. And look, so it's the same image from, or a very similar one, from this clip. White space is recessed, so yeah, it's like the opposite. Mini bear pin. Oh, he looks a little damaged. It looks like the glaze is not. Oh yeah, it's got a sticker that's peeled off. That's a shame. That's a real shame. Because I had my little flower pin and this would have been really nice, but yeah, I'm a bit disappointed about that. That's a bit disappointing. I don't know whether that's been a fault in manufacturing or if that's happened during transport, but yeah, that's a bit sad. I might let them know about that. And we've got a customized Polaroid sticker on some washi and some little memo notes of that sleepy bear face. So some little bear memo notes. Airmail. Their bird. I do love their bird imagery. And some thicker note cards. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field frozen with snow. Oh, that's a bit sort of dark. I wonder what else we have. Some rub-on transfer stickers. Oh, that's new too. Nice. Oh, I love these. I really love these. I love the colours and the imagery. And what's this one? I think this is a sticker sheet with some stamp themes and the pajamas and birds and the bear. Oh, look, this is very cute. This little square postcard. Yep, so the illustrations are by Wei Tieng. I hope I've said that correctly. And she is the artist behind all of Black Milk Project's art. And here's that quote again on another larger postcard. And that, my friends, is it. There's just a packing shred in there. So overall, I have to say, their packages, their little mystery boxes never disappoint. They're always full of their beautiful art and stamps and normally a washi tape or washi stickers. But so there's been a couple of interesting new additions this time of the clip and of the rub-on transfer stickers. So that's been really nice. I am a little disappointed about this being damaged or not manufactured properly and perhaps not being picked up on departure or on packing, but I might just let them know just because I think it's so cute and I think it would be a really nice match for my bear to have a little sleepy pear pin. But yeah, all in all, a really, really beautifully curated box with lots of lovely imagery and lovely things for me to use as well as to share with my pen pals or using pen pal letters or my journal as well. And I'll even reuse these bits of wrapping as well because it's so nice with the splatters and the browns and greys. Totally my thing. Very nice. And this little bear stamp as well. That is package number 1. Now package number 2 is Bookbinders, and if you've been here for a while, you'll realize that I love Traveller's Factory, and I was lucky enough to visit 3 of their stores over the Christmas and New Year period in Japan, which was just a lovely experience. Of course, Bookbinders is one of their official partner stores here in Australia. Probably no surprise to many of you. Completely was smitten by the new release by Traveller's Factory of the new Black Tokyo edition journal cover. I also got a couple of the other pieces in the series. I absolutely love taiyaki, which is Japanese pancakes, most often filled with red beans, sometimes other seasonal varieties or chocolate, but I absolutely adore these. I've adored these since I was a young child, so they bring back lots of happy memories. And a lovely little gold sakura charm. Very, very Japanese, not just Tokyo. So there was no way I was going to pass up these stickers with so many iconic images of Tokyo, sushi, ramen, sumo, which is bigger in Kyoto than Tokyo, but there's still sumo, the floating swans from Ueno Park, melon sodas, and Tokyo Tower, and the temple at Asakusa, and of course the lucky cat, and lanterns, and cherry blossoms, and taiyaki. So there was no way I was not going to get those stickers, but I was very restrained. I just got one. And a little sample stamp from their stamp caravan that happened not so long ago. I got one of the special inserts, and look at that red foiling. Oh, that's very cool. It has a picture of the store in Nakameguro, which was one of the ones I visited. Just lovely. And this has got MD white paper in it. 64 blank pages. They had another one which had kind of postcard type insert. I didn't get that one. I actually have a copy of this already, so I might put this aside and do a giveaway. When I get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm preparing a giveaway, and this might go to one of my subscribers as part of that. And the main event the new Traveler's Notebook cover, Tokyo edition, and even the information sheet on the front here has that gold or red gold foiling. So it's black, and yeah, it's got another one of these inserts inside as well. So I'll just open it up and we'll have a look. This actually looks like a different packaging cardboard to what they normally use. Yeah, they normally use more of a craft color, and this is more of a grey. Look at that. Now the foiling on, oh yeah, that's a really nice match, that sort of orangey red. The foiling on this cover is meant to be holographic or iridescent, reflecting many different colours. So I am very keen to see if that is the case in person. I don't have a black cover, which was one of the deciding factors in whether I actually purchased this or not. So let's have a look. Yeah, it's definitely got an iridescent finish to it, and the leather is quite a matte black, and they've spelt out the word Tokyo using some of the recognizable landmarks and food and ginkgo leaves, etc., which is quite seasonal as well, spring and autumn and so forth. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with that. Oh, and that's really good packaging. They've put a piece of blank paper there because in case of dye transfer with the black leather cover. So that's really considerate packaging. And in the back as well. And so we can have a little look at the insert. My favorite things in Tokyo: places, food, others. I have many things. There's not enough lines there. You have to pick your top 3. So let me know in the comments below if you have also purchased the Black Milk Project mystery box, the Dream, or any of their others, or if you have succumbed to the latest limited edition Tokyo journal cover, and what you think of them. I am very happy. The only thing I would note is that I'm not entirely sure I would use these charms on this cover because it's quite a sort of a matte and silvery with a hint of iridescence look. I think I'd probably use this on one of my other journals, or probably a brown or a camel, that I think those colors would go better. But that's part of the fun, is mixing and matching as well, and it makes your journal look like yours and not like everyone else's. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!